Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to show you all how I created my hair accessories that I wore to the Renaissance World Tour this past weekend. So I got this off of Amazon, right? And what's cool about it is that it's all silver and rhinestone based, but they're all connected by threads. So all I really had to do was cut a piece the length of my hair. So starting from my middle, I have a middle part going on. I think it might look best with the middle part. So I just measured it down like that. I cut it where my hair stopped, and then I cut the pieces. I cut the rows, right? So here's one of the pieces I already created. Oh, and keep in mind, I don't recommend that you cut it all the way up. I left about 3 rows uncut so that I have like a sturdy foundation for when it comes to pinning it onto my hair. So obviously you can use as many tracks as you want. I used 3, so I used 1 here, and then 1 in the back. But it's up to you depending on how extra you want to be. I just recommend that you pin it with hairpins. So, yeah, you're going to need a few, to hold it all in place, but pretty simple, right? Yeah, so let me know, would you adorn your locks with a piece like this? Would you? And what occasion would you wear it to? Birthdays? It's a little extra for a wedding now, a little extra, but some of us are extra, can't help it. Let me know. Leave a comment below.
Queen, I come through. Move out the way.
Oh wow! Lies on your lips, I lick it. Unique. Ooh, that's what you are. Dead ass. Dead ass. Dead ass. Dead ass.
Thank you for a beautiful night.